Hello loves, welcome back to my channel, the Fab Shilpi. I hope you all are doing good. I am not doing so great because Malaysia, it's never ending lockdown, so I am quite bored, but yeah, I'm trying to tackle and cope up with the situation. So thankfully some stores are open, that too after 1.5 months. So I thought of shopping, and of course I shopped at Sephora. So yeah, I thought of making Sephora haul video because I love sharing with you all what all I bought and what all new products I am adding in my vanity. So let's get started. First thing I would like to share is I got Huda Mercury Retrograde Palette, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I've actually used it because I could not control, guys. So this makeup, what you see right now is I used the color in the palette. Do you see the gorgeous colors here? I mean, look at this. I'm wearing this cyan shade right now, and yeah, you have a lot of neutrals and nudes, matte shades, and mix of brown and cool shades, and then you have very monochrome kind of shades. This color is so gorgeous. This looks golden, but this is a mix of pink and gold color. Wait, why didn't I show you some of the swatches? This color I was talking about, this one. So here you go. So you see the pink tint here with the golden one. Then there's another, pinkish shade. This one. This is so gorgeous. This is lovely. Then you have two shades of purple. This looks silver, but this is purplish silver actually. And then do you see this gorgeous color? This is blue color, and this beautiful purple color. You see this gorgeous purple color. Yeah, this one is a lovely palette, guys. I got this one for 300 ringgit here in Malaysia. I don't know how much it costs in India in rupees. So yeah, I got this big palette from Huda. Then I also wanted to buy some good palette, with some nude shades or warm shades. So I got this Huda mini nude palette in medium, and so I have a lot of collection of cool tones and warm tones of browns. Again, I have these colors with glitter, so I can mix and match and wear these colors. So I got this two gorgeous palettes, and then I got 24-hour brow setup from Benefit. I had to buy it, guys. Like, I so wanted to try brow gel since very long, so I finally got it. Today I used it for the very first time, and I absolutely loved it. I think this made my brows very neat and lovely. So yeah, this is the third product what I got. You know how makeup artists are. They are never satisfied with the foundation collection they have. I have collection of a lot of matte. I really wanted a very buttery kind of foundation, and something which can help me to get ready real quick. So I got this foundation, Fondant Tint from Sephora, and this is in shade 20N, and I'm wearing this right now, and I think it's really gorgeous. I did use the concealer to hide my problematic areas, but anyway, I do that with Makeup Forever as well, because this one doesn't have a very high coverage, but this is absolutely smooth, so smooth as butter, guys. I just love it. You can see the glow. And because of lockdown here in Malaysia, I don't know about other countries, the testers are completely packed. We are not allowed to try any products. We cannot match colors of our foundations as well. Thankfully, I met a very nice salesperson at Sephora, like staff. He was very helpful. I forgot the name, otherwise I would have mentioned. He was a Malay guy and he helped me a lot to select the shade. And this is the first time ever I got a foundation without even trying on. I'm glad that this color absolutely matched my skin, and I'm loving the finish, so I would highly recommend this. So as usual, whenever I shop at Sephora, these guys are sweet enough to give me things. This time they gave me this lovely box. Look at the texture, it's very velvety, and look at this gorgeous color. And this says my beauty power, and it's written Sephora here. And when you open it, you've got a small mirror inside, so you can even do your touch up, or you can do your makeup looking in this tiny mirror. And I absolutely love the color. I love red color. These are just 4 products, but these are really expensive ones, and I had to get them. Okay, so that's it, guys. This was Sephora Haul. I hope you liked the video. I will be back soon with another makeup tutorial or any other useful videos for you guys. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and share with your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so you do not miss any updates. I would love to connect on a different platform as well. So I'm leaving my link below in the description box for Instagram. Do follow me on Instagram so that you do not miss my daily updates. I love you so much, guys. Bye.